13 known anomalies of 3I/Atlas. 1. Forward-pointing jet, anti-tail. Imagine a comet racing toward the sun normally. Its tail streams away, pushed by solar radiation. But Atlas defied this rule. Instead of trailing dust behind, it ejected material forward, toward the sun itself. This forward-pointing jet, sometimes called an anti-tail, is not just unusual, it's unprecedented. Astronomers watched in disbelief as the laws of cometary physics seemed inverted. Was this a natural quirk of geometry, or evidence of controlled propulsion? The anomaly forces us to reconsider what we thought immutable. That comets always point away from the sun. Atlas broke that rule, and in doing so, opened a door to speculation that something more than nature was at play. 2. Absence of a dust tail after perihelion. Comets are famous for their luminous tails, stretching millions of kilometers. Atlas lost more than 13% of its mass near perihelion, yet no dust tail appeared. The absence was glaring. Without a tail, Atlas looked less like a comet and more like a control body. Scientists scramble for explanations. Perhaps dust grains were too large, or sublimation was suppressed, but none fit the data. The missing tail remains one of the strongest anomalies, a silence where spectacle should have been. It is as if Atlas concealed its identity, refusing to display the cometary signature we expected. 3. Unusual spherical core. Most cometary nuclei are irregular, potato-shaped, scarred by impacts and fractures. Atlas, however, appeared compact and spherical. This geometry is rare in nature, but common in engineering. A sphere minimizes surface area, maximizes structural integrity, and distributes stress evenly. Was Atlas a natural body shaped by unknown processes, or an artifact designed for endurance? The spherical core challenges our assumptions about how interstellar objects form, and why does one look so different from every comet we've cataloged before? 4. Asymmetric gas emissions. Jets of gas and dust usually erupt symmetrically from cometary surfaces. Atlas showed localized, asymmetric emissions. Some regions vented strongly, others remained silent. This patchwork pattern suggested either unusual geology or deliberate design. If natural, it implies complex internal layering. If artificial, it could be engineered vents releasing material in controlled bursts. The asymmetry adds to the growing list of anomalies that make Atlas less like a comet and more like a mystery machine drifting through space. 5. High nickel abundance. Spectroscopy revealed nickel concentrations far above any known comet. Nickel is rare in cometary chemistry, yet Atlas displayed it prominently. Why? One theory suggests formation near a heavy metal-rich star. Another hints at artificial alloys. Nickel is used in engineering for strength and resistance. Its abundance in Atlas raises eyebrows. Is it a natural quirk of stellar chemistry, or evidence of construction? The nickel anomaly remains one of the most provocative clues in the case for Atlas as something beyond ordinary. 6. Blue spectral shift near perihelion. As Atlas neared the sun, its reflective properties shifted toward blue. This was inconsistent with ice sublimation, which usually reddens spectra. The blue shift suggested ionized molecules interacting with solar wind, or engineered surfaces reflecting differently. The anomaly puzzled astronomers. Why would a comet grow bluer as it heated? The answer remains elusive, but the effect was undeniable. Atlas shimmered with a spectral fingerprint unlike any comet before it. 7. Rapid brightening beyond physical models. Atlas brightened faster than sublimation models predicted. Its luminosity surged, outpacing expectations. Was this due to unusual chemistry or controlled energy release? The rapid brightening made Atlas visible earlier and more dramatically than anticipated. It seemed to announce itself, demanding attention. Natural or not, the anomaly amplified its mystery, making Atlas a spectacle of light that defied our models of cometary behavior. 8. Activity at extreme distances. Comets usually awaken near the sun when heat triggers sublimation. Atlas showed activity at $6.40, far beyond where sunlight should matter. This premature awakening suggested volatile compounds unknown in our solar system or artificial activation. The anomaly expanded our definition of cometary activity, proving that Atlas operated under rules we do not yet understand. It was alive, in a sense, long before it should have been. 9. Trajectory alignment with the ecliptic plane. Interstellar objects enter randomly, from any angle. Atlas aligned within 5 degrees of the ecliptic plane, the flat disk where planets orbit. The odds of this alignment are less than 1 in 500. Was it coincidence or intent? The trajectory placed Atlas in prime position to encounter multiple planets. Its path seemed too convenient, too aligned to be purely random. This anomaly fueled speculation that Atlas was guided, not drifting. 10. Close targeting of Jupiter's Hill sphere. In March 2026, Atlas aimed directly at Jupiter's Hill sphere, the region where Jupiter's gravity dominates. This is a logical waypoint for probes, offering gravitational leverage and observational opportunities. Avi Loeb noted the precision of this targeting, raising the possibility of course corrections. Natural comets rarely aim so precisely. Atlas did. The anomaly suggests either extraordinary coincidence or deliberate navigation. 11. Non-gravitational acceleration. Atlas displayed acceleration stronger than typical comets, beyond what sublimation alone could explain. Non-gravitational forces hinted at propulsion or unusual gas dynamics. ʻOumuamua showed similar anomalies, sparking speculation of artificial origin. Atlas continued the pattern, accelerating in ways that defied simple models. The anomaly remains one of the most compelling arguments for Atlas as more than a comet. 12. Connection to the WOW. Signal direction. The inbound trajectory of Atlas coincided with the region of the 1977 SETI WOW signal. The probability of this overlap is about 0.6%. Coincidence? Perhaps, but the alignment adds intrigue. The WOW signal remains one of the most famous unexplained radio bursts. Atlas arriving from the same region decades later feels like a cosmic echo, a reminder that mysteries may be connected across time and space. 13. Delayed or missing data releases. Several spacecraft observed Atlas during its flybys, yet not all data was published. Some images were blurry, others withheld. Critics accused agencies of concealing anomalies. Transparency faltered, fueling suspicion. Was data suppressed to avoid controversy, or simply delayed by bureaucracy? Either way, the anomaly is not in Atlas itself, but in how humanity responded, with hesitation, secrecy, and incomplete disclosure. The mystery deepened not only because of the comet, but because of us together. These 13 anomalies form a tapestry of mystery. Each could have a natural explanation, but taken as a whole, they defy probability. Atlas is not just another comet. It is a messenger from the stars, carrying secrets we have yet to decode. Whether natural or artificial, it challenges our science, our imagination, and our humility before the cosmos. This is it for today. Have a nice day. Bye.